Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to Make Money Moves, and today I'm going to be showing you guys two different methods to make fast and easy PayPal money. Now, this method is going to blow your minds, and it's going to help you guys out a lot, and there's actually going to be two different ways to do this in this video, and if you guys watch to the end, I'm actually going to be able to show you guys how to make some passive income. So yeah, the first thing that we're going to be looking at is remote tasks. So basically, it's pretty self-explanatory, as you guys can see right here. So this is a pretty cool platform. Basically, most of the main stuff you're going to be doing is you're going to tag images, transcribe audio, moderate content, and many other things. The only thing is you kind of have to be, well, not kind of, you have to be fluent in English. So all you really got to do is you got to sign up, connect with Facebook, then you got to learn, then you got to work, and then you get paid. So we're going to come down here real quick. So there's a variety of jobs that you guys can do. So one of them, images. So you're going to draw bounding boxes around various objects to help determine what's where. So basically, you're going to look at an image, and you're going to highlight some elements of that image, and it's going to help these guys out a lot. Another one, 3D. So you're going to annotate 3D data from LiDAR and radar sensors to help self-driving cars move forward. Now, that's actually really cool. If you guys think about it, if by doing this, you're actually helping improve the auto industry in a way. And you're going to make driving cars in the future very safe. So I would say that this is actually pretty cool and pretty important. Now, another thing is OCR transcription. So you're going to transcribe important content from images of documents and menus. So I've heard that this is actually the most common thing that you're going to be doing. So you'll probably have to do a lot of OCR transcription. But yeah, these are probably the jobs that you're going to see the most, so I'd kind of prepare for that. Another one, categorization. So you're just going to look at an image or text, and you're going to identify keywords and describe what's in them. Another one, comparison. So you're going to draw bounding boxes around various objects to help determine what's where. So this is like the same thing as this, except you're going to be comparing different objects. So yeah. And then another one, data collection. You're going to search the web and collect data about anything. So they're going to pretty much give you something that you need to research, and you're going to find some information about it. Now, as you guys can see, there's quite a few people, there's a lot of people doing stuff with remote tasks. They have a whole community. We have a guy like Clark who's been doing freelancing for over 2 years, and he thinks that remote tasks is one of the most exciting jobs that he's had. We also have Eliza, I guess you would say that, and this is cool because of this, she's actually able to take care of her 2 kids while also freelancing, so that's very nice. We have Carlos, and you know, he's had a pretty good experience with this. And we have, Rhoda, Juan, Daniel, all these people. These people have had positive experiences working with remote tasks. And if you go to Google, there's a lot of stuff on it. There's quite a few videos. And overall, it's pretty cool. There's even a Facebook group. It has a rating of 4.4. We can look at that real quick. So, yeah, that is very cool. And then they have a Glassdoor rating of 2.5. That's not very great, but, I mean, it is what it is. We're just going to keep going. There's all kinds of stuff. Once again, we can see the videos here. Online money for dads. They did an article on this, and let's see, this is pretty much like the same thing. and there's just like there's a lot of stuff on this. So if we go back over here, frequently asked questions. How do I get more tasks? So you're gonna have to take exams to get more tasks. And then what if I'm confused about how to do certain tasks? And basically, there's an active online community that can help you guys out. Do we have to pay to use your platform? And of course not. They're going to be paying you to do stuff. And what happens after in-person bootcamp training? After completing training, you'll be able to make your own schedule and work from home. So yeah, this is a very, very good thing for all you freelancers out there. And yeah, from what I'm seeing, you're going to go to an in-person boot camp. They're going to train you. And then you're going to be able to make your own schedule when you work at home. And you'll be all set. All right, so the second method that we're going to be looking at today is Amazon Mechanical Turk. So basically, you're going to make some money in your spare time, and you're going to get paid for completing some simple jobs. So basically, you'll be able to, like I said before, make some money in your spare time and start applying your skills to thousands of available jobs in the mTurk marketplace. So basically, Amazon needs real people to kind of help them out with their stuff, because computer technology isn't as effective as, normal people. So basically, you're going to be doing stuff like identifying objects in a photo or video, performing data duplication, transcribing audio recordings, or researching data details. So we're going to come down here. So this type of work you're going to be doing is image/video processing. So stuff like tagging objects found in an image, helping companies select the best picture to represent a product, audit user uploaded images or videos to moderate content, and classifying and identify objects found in satellite imagery. You're also going to be doing data verification and cleanup. So companies with large online directories or catalogs use mTurk to identify duplicate entries and verify item details. Workers help clean and verify data by removing duplicate content from business listings, identifying incomplete or duplicate product listings in the catalog, verifying restaurant details such as a phone number or hours of operation, converting unstructured data and locations into well-informed addresses. So you're also going to be gathering information, so stuff like answering questions from a computer or mobile device about any topic, filling out market research or survey data on a variety of topics, writing content for websites, and finding specific fields or data elements in a large legal government documents. And then, yeah, you're also going to be doing data processing. So you're going to be editing and transcribing audio content, translating content from one language to another, rating accuracy of search results, and categorization information based on instructions. So yeah, basically you're going to be doing some pretty easy stuff, guys. And you know that it's a trusted platform because it's made by Amazon. And if we switch over to Google here real quick, you can see, of course, the main page. There's a Wikipedia article about it, so it's pretty legit. And if we keep going, on New York Times, you can see someone. Oh well, I don't have a subscription. Oh well, they're making 97 cents an hour, which may not be a lot to you guys, but if you combine it with remote tasks, then you'll be making quite a bit of money, guys. So yeah, there's quite a few articles about this because it's a relatively popular method of getting some extra money. There's even some videos on it right here. Yeah, so basically, if you guys are looking to make some pocket change, these two methods are pretty good. Now, even though these methods can make you guys some pocket change, if you guys are looking to make a lot more money than this, then I would suggest looking down at the first link in the description, because that link is going to be able to help you guys out with earning some passive income that you can use to actually quit your 9-to-5. So yeah, be sure to check out the first link in the description, and yeah, have a good day, and we'll see you in the next video.